Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making waffle fries. You will need 3 russet potatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. You will also need a wave or waffle mandolin, and I recommend you use cut-resistant gloves. You can find them both in my Amazon store. The link is in the description below. Now cut your potatoes using a quarter turn in between each slice. It's this motion that will give you your waffle effect. Place your fries in a bowl of cold water and allow them to sit for 30 minutes. Add your oil to a deep fryer or large pan, then bring your oil to a temperature of 320 degrees. Now dry your potatoes and fry them for 3 minutes in small batches. After 3 minutes, remove them from the oil and set them aside. After your last batch, increase your temperature from 320 degrees to 375 degrees. Return your fries to the pan and allow them to cook for 30 to 40 seconds or until they're nice and golden. Place your fries on paper towels, then generously sprinkle with your salt. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grab